Hi, now I'll show you how to learn in Dipsa e-learning platform. First, you need to go Dipsa website. You can see here the tab is appear online courses, online learning learning portal, or you can just put elearning.dipsa.in in your address bar. You can redirect here. This URL mentioned in your email also, which is sent by admin at the rate learning.dipsa.in. Simple, put your username here. Username and password is also mentioned in first email, which is sent by admin of e-learning. From first time you have to uh, update your password. You need to change your password. What is system default from system default password? Then you can choose your own password. Then you can continue with your password. Okay. You can see that dashboard over here. In dashboard, you can see that site home, calendar, private files, my courses. Under my courses, the student is registered for this course only. This course is mentioned in that dashboard, and the completion percent is 11%. You can see the timeline, what upcoming event you have. It shows here. Then the phases come into the private manage private file. You can upload up to 2 MB file, 2 MB each file into the server. Then online user, how many users are online? You can see here. Latest badges, and latest badges if you have collected or got that badges awarded by badges, your badges will be see here. Then calendar, you can see, you can update your calendar also. You can manage your events also. If you want to add a new event in your calendar, just go to the calendar, select upcoming event in the day for new event, and then new event you can select a date and time from here, time and minute, and then describe your event. Just testing, testing event, and then save. This event, this calendar will help you to remember your events. And now go to the dashboard, and then you can see that 16 September there is one event is listed. Also, second time when you log in, you can see here also. You can see here this upcoming event in 16 June also. Now, how you can study over here? Just go to your course, or from this tab, or from this tab. Now you can see that the course arrangements over here. All these are the topics. You can see there is a general topic, topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much topics is here? In first topic, in general topic, there is one announcement. Teachers can do the announcement. Student cannot do the announcement. Then live classes. If you have scheduled your live classes, you can see the links over here. Just go to the live classes, and when your live classes schedule, your link shows here. Yes, you have to click on it. Then in next step or in new window, you can see your classes, live classes. Then come into that home window, and then you can see there is a one topic one, and topic one name is health, welfare, and work environment, and there is subtopic also. In subtopic, you can see there is literatures. This is literature. This is literature. This is video. This is assignment, and these are speech. Just simply go to the literatures. You have to thoroughly read all these literatures. You can see that by image, by diagrams, you can learn here by your pace. If you have any doubt, you can direct ask to your trainer by from live classes, or from here you can message it also. Now, second topic have PDF file, you can download it and then read it. Then video for this topic, by the video, this topic is explained by video also. You can see there is a two video, one for introduction to health and safety work and another one for minimum health and welfare standards in factories act. Just you have to play button,
The ice making
and
machine at a
then you
fast
can
food.
hello, try this uh, video facilities. You can better understand your topics. Then go into your chapter, your course name, and then attempt to assignment. Now you can see here there is a assignment is a type of question answer. So you have to answer these questions in that panel. First, you have to click on edit submission or submission button, add submission button, and write down your answer. Write down your answer over here. If you have any external files you want to upload by that diagram in the form of diagram or any activity, you can just add upload your file by choose file and select from your computer wherever you have mentioned, and then save the changes. After save the changes, your screen shows you the three button: edit submission, remove submission, and submit assignment. Still you have right to edit your submission by clicking this button, or remove the submission by this button. And when you submit assignment, when you click this submit assignment, your assignment will be completely submitted, and then you don't have any right to edit or remove your submission. Okay, then after that assignment you have a quiz for this topic. You can attempt quiz. You can see here there this all these are the questions. In the quiz is a form of multiple choice question. You can just next page. You have to click next and next and next also. Next, next, and then if you go to next page, then you can see that there is a four option, and you have to select any one which is appropriate and correct for. You still you have choice to clear it, and then next go to the next page. It will be go for next questions, and then here. So in this manner we have arranged quizzes for you. When your courses go beyond, then you find your difficulty your difficulty level will be increased when you go through the course till the last. Finish at attempts, and then now through all of these similar topic, these are next topic, then next topic, then next topic, then next topic. In this manner you can continue learn and take advantage of this platform. After this, if you want to log out or if you want to go into dashboard, you can just click on this home button, Dipsa button, and you are coming to the dashboard. Now if you want log out, you can log out from here. Log out. So in this easiest manner you can learn 24/7. If you have any doubt, you can ask to your trainer in live classes, or you can just post on forum also. Thank you.